Mustard, mustard, mustard. Common meanings. Condiment. Mustard is a spicy yellow or brown sauce made from the seeds of the mustard plant. It's often used on sandwiches, hot dogs, and burgers. Plant. Mustard is also the name of the plant that produces these seeds. It has yellow flowers and is part of the cabbage family. Color. Mustard can refer to a brownish yellow color, similar to the color of the condiment. Examples. I like to put mustard on my hot dog. The mustard plant has bright yellow flowers. She wore a mustard-colored sweater. We used mustard seeds in the recipe. The chef added a spoonful of mustard to the salad dressing. General usage. Mustard is commonly used in cooking and as a condiment. It's popular in many cuisines around the world and can add a spicy kick to various dishes. The plant itself is also grown for its seeds and leaves, which can be used in cooking. Tips for remembering. Condiment connection. Think of a mustard as a spicy yellow sauce you see at picnics and barbecues. Plant picture. Imagine a field of yellow flowers. That's the mustard plant. Color clue. Remember that mustard is also a color similar to the sauce. Fun fact. Did you know that mustard has been used as a condiment for thousands of years? Ancient Romans were among the first to grind mustard seeds and mix them with wine to create a paste similar to the mustard we use today. I hope this helps you understand the word mustard better. If you like this video, please subscribe for more learning adventures. Thank you. Bye.